Hi everyone, and welcome to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today we're at Weir Farm in Wilton, Connecticut. So Weir Farm was actually the homestead of Julian Alden Weir, who was a beloved American Impressionist painter, and he changed the landscape, no pun intended, of American painting during the 19th century. So behind me you can actually see Julian's studio, and over there is his home. So one of the main things that we learned today was about the importance of setting a natural landscape in creativity. At the time when Weir was painting, there was actually a lot of New Yorkers who would come to sort of these suburbs and natural landscapes over the summer to retreat from the New York heat and the hustle and bustle, but also to get refreshed and to really get back into some of their creative zones. So we talked a lot about setting and creativity and how the natural landscape was actually one of the biggest inspirations for Julian's work. And this made me think of you guys because right now is a time when you are all working on your college application essays. And it is really important that you are able to keep creativity and dynamism at the center of your essays. And the only way to do that is really to start early, to change up your setting, to get outside, and to stop really thinking about the right and wrong behind the essays, but more about what inspires you. And actually, before we end this video, I'm going to show you guys one other thing. So this behind me is the barn, which was super cool to see. And there's actually a lot of trails and things that you can go on. So if you're looking for a place to brainstorm, this is a great one. So good luck with your college essays. Remember to keep creativity at the core of them. Like, subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful, and we'll see you soon for more college application tips on Lotus Premier Education. Bye now.